I've got this super cool 68-page document for GoHighLevel websites that takes your websites from here to here. Literally shows you step by step all the code you need to do some magical things on the GoHighLevel websites that no one else has access to. And today I'm going to showcase a cool one. I've just drafted this up, so it's not like the best example, but as you can see here with this, when you hover on an image, you can make it disappear and reveal the one behind. The possibilities of this is endless, so let's get right into it. By the way, the code is in the description for free. If you want the 68-page document for free, if you sign to Highlevel with my link in description, first link, you get 30 days free trial plus all these benefits here, which includes this document. It costs the same either way if you go through me or through Highlevel itself, so no brainer. And before we start, if you just like and comment done on the video, I'll send you a private calendar link to book a one-on-one call with me, just to help you get started or any questions that you have, so do that. Okay, so let's start. Now, I'm just going to start it here just as an example. So this one works, as we know. So what we can do is add an element, and it's just a quick image, okay? And then immediately below it, we add our second image. Now this first image, let's just put my logo in. Okay, so let's just put my logo in there. And the second image can be a bell icon, whatever, something super random. So let's go on to 68-page document and just follow it step by step. So here it is. So add both images, we've done that. Second one, we want to make sure the purple, on the purple section, we click the purple section. So let's go click, let's find the purple section, here we are. Now we want this to be center and that to be vertical, okay, perfect. Now let's follow it along. Now we've got the code. Okay, so if you scroll down, now we've got the code in this document to make this work. Let's copy this code and let's go into custom CSS, and that's the code for the one that for the image above. So let's paste that up. Okay, so let's just go click this orange box for the second image, and let's go to advanced and let's go to custom CSS selector here, press copy, come back. Now where it says your image 2, paste it there. And where it says that, and then I just deleted that, sorry, by accident. It should say your image 1 there. Let's go get that image 1 and go to advanced, go to custom CSS, and let's go here and we'll take that out and paste this, and boom. Okay, so we change sizing. So as you can see now, whenever we hover over it, we can literally just reveal what's behind it. This is just one micro example of what's in this document. So be sure to get this document for free. 68 pages on this document. Literally no brainer. Plus you get all the other benefits. And also if you're just getting started with Highlevel, I have the best playlist on YouTube. Let me know in the description on the comments if there's anyone else doing this. But if you're trying to learn Highlevel, there's nowhere better to go, because I've literally say check out the playlist. So I've got my playlist level 1 to 11. First one, getting started. Second one, websites. Third one, CRM. Fourth one, calendars. Learn AI. It's all just really nicely set out, so you can just go one by one and learn everything. So watch the videos, get the 30-day free trial, first link description, get the software, and then you'll be good to go. And then you got me as a personal one-on-one mentor kind of thing, I guess. So that's a crazy effect for GoHighLevel websites that you can add on. I'll put the code in the description. And yeah, please like the video, helps me out, and yeah, thank you.